draw for you such scheme. Now I repeat. Visceral arch, there are 5 visceral arch. It's real arches, look like a semi ring, yes, which are located on the places of the facial department. On these stages, 3 or 4 weeks, absent any facial elements, only look like embryon, it is only visceral arch, and for the vision syndrome, for the olfactory, it's look like small olfactory fossa, eye fossa, because only the development. And what about this visceral arch? Outside, they covered with the ectodome. Ecto, outside, yes? Inside, they covered with the endodome, yes? And in each visceral arch, there are vessels, nerves, and from mesenchymal rudiment, it is the material for the development, bones and muscles. According to the numbers, we put number 1, it's first visceral arch, second, 2, then will be third, fourth, and fifth. Last one, all these branches during the period development of the fishes, they gave the material for the, I don't know how for English, jabra, it's the branchial, for the respiration of the fishes. We take away them. Yes, yes, yes. What about these elements during development of the human or animals as a huge, as the highest animals? They gave the material for the development of the face department. What it means? The development of the upper jaw, lower jaw, masticator muscle, facial muscle, many elements development from this material. Tongue, thyroid glands, different. But all of them present very important things. That the first visceral arch, nervus trigeminus, development from the first visceral arch. Together with this nerve, development, the masticatory muscles. They located in another site, but innervation can be done only with the trigeminal nerve. For example, muscles of the neck, musculus digastricus, consist of 2 venter, posterior and anterior. Posterior development from the second visceral arch, anterior from the first. That's why different parts of such muscles receive different innervation from facial and from the trigeminal nerve. Understand? What else? From the second, it is the elements of the nervus facialis, which development from the second visceral arch. That's why they are present. Branchial motor. And motor, it innervated the muscles which development together. What are these muscles? For example, musculus stapedius, it is the muscles of the middle ear. All mimetic muscles or facial muscles, orbicularis oris, orbicularis oculi, all muscles. Zygomaticus major, levator palpebral superior, all muscles of the facial department development from this facial nerve together. And that's why they may locate it in different parts, the innervation with this nerve. For example, from the neck, we discuss the musculus digastricus, but another musculus platysma. Musculus superficial muscle of the development together with the mimetic muscles on the face, and then descends on the neck, but innervation with the nervus facialis. That's why they are present such words. Visceral motor, it means the innervation of the smooth muscles in the oral cavity, and spatial sensivity, it is the sensivity, it is the information or ascending or sensation information. What as example, look, on this middle part of the internal surface, the tongue start development. That's why different part of the tongue receive different innervation of the first we wrote, it's the common sensivity, nervus lingualis as the branches of the trigeminal. Taste sensivity, which present there, it is the chorda tympani, which development from the second visceral arch. Nervus glossopharyngeus from the third, nervus vagus from the fourth. They make the innervation of the root of the tongue and the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. All of them, it's only the mucosa muscles of the tongue innervate with the nervus hypoglossus. Understand? Everything based on the development. This material, please repeat. It's important to understand many things on the organization. But that's why when you begin to work, you write components, and you write first components. You rewrite this. Then present nuclei. Give me the rhomboid fossa, please. Not fossa rhomboide, deeper, under the eye. Fossa rhomboide. Oh, excuse me. What nucleus we need when we discuss the facial nerve? One nucleus sensory. It is the nucleus tractus solitari or solitari. Then we pay attention salivatory superior and motor nucleus of the nervus facialis, which located in the colliculus facialis. Look, nucleus are motor nucleus, salivatory nucleus, superior salivatory nucleus, and lacrimal in the pons and melencephalon. Then, point from the exit on the brain in cerebello, pontine angle. What we demonstrate? You will write these words by words. And for cerebello, what repeat? Cerebello, pontine angle. Where this angle? Cerebello, pontine. Where? Pons and cerebello. These places, exit. These places, cerebello, pontine. Yes? Understand? What else? Now, cranial, for what we skull we demonstrate? We will demonstrate, look, foramen stylomastoidum. Foramen stylomastoidum. Between styloid and mastoid processes. Understand? And then you correctly rewrite everything. How I explain for you better to draw. For example, you draw on one side fossa rhomboide. There you may draw the nucleus of this nerve, okay? As it present in the fossa rhomboide. Then you write, facial nerve consists of two roots, motor and nervus intermedius. You will write motor nucleus and branches and the nervus intermedius. Motor and intermedius. Then you write, and everything about this present information. They are present ganglion geniculi nervus facialis. Everything step by step you rewrite about the classification and about the position. Parallel, I ask you to repeat the canals of the temporal bone. It's a special task. Canals of the temporal bone, because the facial is located in the canal. How this scheme is present for the location. They are present the distribution of the branches, but they are present the nerves. What about the canals of the temporal bone? Look how to put in the box. Please give me the point. In the box. Все, нет, есть уже, ребят, все, спасибо. Look, from the canal of the temporal bone, for the canalis facialis. First we show porus acousticus internus. Porus acousticus internus. Right? Look. This is the pyramid. Very important. It's entrance to the first it lie. Look, perpendicular to the long axis of the pyramid till the groove sulcus of the great petrosal nerve, till this groove, perpendicular till this groove. Then in these places in horizontal, it make flexions and travel to the lateral and posterior side, parallel with the long axis, till the eminentia arcuata. Eminentia arcuata. Till the eminentia arcuata. Then, from horizontal plane, change the direction and distance lower. And then it go away through foramen stylomastoidum. Understand? It's very difficult. You may draw, for example, porus acousticus internus, as it present there. This is the apex, yes? There you will draw greater groove for the greater petrosal nerve. They are present petrosus minor. This is sulcus nervi petrosi major. Okay? Major. Travel for the perpendicular, anterior and lateral, yes, this is the, then make flexions, go posteriorly lateral till the eminentia arcuata, and then it descends through canalis stylomastoidus. Understand? Such position. On the exams, when you explain the branches, you will do the same. If you receive question about temporal bone, you explain the canals in such form. Understand? That's why on your schemes, when you draw the branches, you will draw sometimes the schemes which help for you to understand. When this nerve go away through stylomastoid, it divided for the motor branches. Look, these motor branches. They located on the posterior side of musculus masseter, near make the plexus of the parotid glands, but how to memorize? Now I show for you, but on the exams, please don't do so, okay? 5, I put there, and this is the 5 branches, main branches of the facial nerve. Temporal, zygomatic, buccal, marginal, and cervical neck. Try to do yourself on your proper faces. Not inside. Ну-ка. Temporal. Did you found temporal? Zygomatic. Did you palpate it, zygomatic bone? Yes. Buccal for the book. Marginal for the lower margin of the lower. And neck, cervical department to the platysma. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
On the exams, please don't do so, okay? But you only write the names. That's why you may, for example, parotid gland, and you may draw one, another, buccal, marginal. This is the distribution of the branches. Understand? Then, what about greater petrosal nerve? What we read about the greater? Look. Pass anteriorly for the groove, yes? Lie in this groove till the foramen lacerum. Foramen lacerum. Then go down till the canalis pterygoidus. Canalis pterygoidus. To there is, but this one, for the ganglion pterygopalatinum, which located in the fossa pterygopalatina. I take a real skull on the next lessons, and we will found. Understand?
Yes,
this is the same, very not direct weight for such. For this groove, for the lacerum, then for canalis pterygoidus, then for the fossa pterygopalatina. Fossa pterygopalatina. Between the maxilla, lamina perpendicularis of the palatine bones and sphenoidal bone. Finishing for the ganglion pterygopalatinum. From this ganglion start postglionar fibers for the lacrimal glands, for example, which this innervation can be done with the branches of the nervus facialis. Understand? It's the greater. That's why, step by step, not rewrite all the text. Try to draw something. Try to analyze something. In such form, you understand more better such material. Now for the stapedius, nervus stapedius, you will demonstrate musculus stapedius, this one. Musculus stapedius, this is tensor tympani, this is stapedius, which development together with the nerve, together with the stapes, for example. Look, then, chorda tympani, it is the branches of the facial nerve, or intermedius, but it travels to the tongue together with the nervus lingualis, which is the branches of nervus trigeminus. I think the nature decided to mix something, and it will be the problem for the students especially, yes? Very interesting, nervus lingualis, temperature, pain, touch from the trigeminal nerve for anterior 2/3, but inside present chorda tympani, which send the branches and innervate the taste. And we draw taste analyzer, we draw chorda tympani. Understand this? Okay, what about this? They are present there, same sensory fibers, all parasympathetic fibers, and they are for the position, it on the real skull, I'll demonstrate for you, visceropadri tympanica, because it is in this place is present the exit of the chorda tympani, where it go away and entrance to the nervus lingualis. This information is present there. And this is on our scheme, number 10. It is the chorda tympani. Look, it's located inside in the middle ear, near the bones of middle ear. That's why the details are present there. What else? It is the branches, stylohyoid for stylohyoid muscles. Look, all the branches which now I'll demonstrate for you. And this is the whole about the nervus facialis. Nervus trigeminus. First, second, and third, it will be individual lists for each branches. 2 of them sensory, 1 mixed. Step by step, everything. And on the exams will be nervus trigeminus, nervus ophthalmicus, nervus trigeminus, nervus maxillaris, nervus trigeminus, nervus mandibularis. Understand? Now, this is theoretically, now I'll show for you. Так, это убираем. I need... Ready? Все. Так, better to open the window because it is...